Hello students, how are you? Students, welcome to my channel. Students, if you get a question in your exam, write an application for a company job. So at that time, what will you do? Don't write a random letter. Exams require a specific high scoring format to get full marks. So today I will share the exact easy to remember template that will guarantee top marks. Okay? Every official job application has three key parts. First part, the header part, and in this part you have to write sender details, date, and receiver details also. And next part is the body paragraph. In body paragraph you have to write a reason for writing, qualification, and closing. And lastly, the enclosure, your resume or biodata, you can say. So let's look at a complete example you can directly memorize and write in your exam. Okay, let's start. And in the application you have to write your name first, then city name, then date, current date you have to mention, then address the hiring manager, to the HR manager, then company name, city name also, subject, application for the post of, job title you have to mention here, then respected sir or madam, with reference to your advertisement published in name of newspaper or website, you have to write here, on date, on which date it was published. I was to apply for the post of, which job you have to apply, in which job you have to apply in your esteemed company. I have completed my degree's name, that means graduation or post graduation, any other qualification you have to mention here with marks percentage. Okay, I possess excellent communication skills, hard work, ethics, and relevant knowledge required for this role. Given the opportunity, I assure you that I will perform my duties with dedication and sincerity. Please find my enclosed resume for your kind review. I look forward to hearing from you. Thanking you, yours faithfully. Mention your name. Okay. Always attach a short biodata box at the bottom. Include name, father's name, educational qualification, experience if you have any. This simple addition makes your answer look professional and score full marks instantly. Okay, so students, pause the video and take a screenshot right now for your notes. Which application topics do you want next? Drop it in the comments below. Subscribe for more exam tips, and I will see you in the next video. Okay.